How to draw Florida. We are going to start by drawing a straight horizontal line near the top left of our page. Great job! Next, we are going to draw a small diagonal line going down and to the right from the right side of that line. Then connecting to the bottom of that line, we are going to draw another horizontal line going to the right. Next, we are going to draw a small U shape connecting to the right side of that line, and the right side of our U is going to go up higher than the left side. Awesome job! Learn how to draw hub crew. Then the final step of drawing the top outline of Florida is going to be drawing a small squiggly line to the right of that U shape. Great! Now we are going to go back where we started with that horizontal line near the left top of our page, and we are going to draw a curved line going downwards from the left side of the line right here. Then we are going to draw a line from the bottom of that one that curves upwards and to the right a little bit. Nice job! Now we are going to draw a curved line that goes downwards and then a small straight line going to the right. Then from where we left off, we are going to continue with that line going upwards just a little bit more, and then the line is going to curve downwards and then curve to the right. Looking good so far. Now we are going to draw a big curved line going downwards from where we left off. Then from the bottom of that line, we are going to draw a diagonal line going up and to the right, and then draw a small curved line at the top of it. Awesome job! Learn how to draw hub crew. Now from where we left off, we are going to draw a long squiggly line going down and to the right. This will be for the rest of the outline on the left side of Florida. Feel free to pause the video here if you need to catch up and draw this squiggly line that we just drew. Next, we are going to draw a small curved line at the bottom of that squiggly line we just drew. Then for the last step, we are going to draw a long squiggly line right here. This is going to be the right outline of Florida. This is how to draw Florida. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. If you like this video, then give it a big like below, and if you want to watch more step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this one, then be sure to subscribe. Also, comment down below what you would like to see us draw next, and stick around until the very end to see our drawing all colored in. See you next time!
Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.